Hi, this is Steve Cohn with the Corcoran Group, and I'm here today at one of New York City's most exclusive buildings, the Ritz-Carlton Residence, 50 Central Park South. Let's take a look at this full-floor home. Thoughtfully designed by acclaimed international architect Thierry Despont, this home spans over 8,000 square feet of indoor and outdoor living. The private elevator landing leads to an impressive gallery with beautiful bronze entry doors and custom Lalique windows. The gallery leads to all wings of this home and is perfect for large-scale entertaining or more intimate gatherings. There's so much more, so come take a look. We're now in the formal living room, which is centered around this beautiful antique marble fireplace. This is where you will receive your guest or just enjoy a quiet evening with a glass of wine in front of the fire. And right in front of me are a wall of French doors that lead to one of the 4 terraces. This is the main terrace with 53 foot of frontage on Central Park and some of the greatest views of any property I've ever seen. This room is beautifully appointed, formal yet comfortable, and leads to all the other entertaining spaces in the home. Welcome to the formal dining room. This room is perfectly situated in the northwest corner of the apartment with spectacular views of Central Park and all of the Upper West and Upper East sides. I just love this chandelier, and it's paired perfectly with the gold leaf ceiling. Adjacent to the dining room is the large breakfast room and top-of-the-line chef's kitchen with custom cabinets. And you guessed it, another terrace for alfresco dining. To the other side of the living room leads you to a bar room and a luxurious library. Here you will find beautiful wood-paneled bookcases and more French doors leading you out to the terrace. This room is perfect for cozying up with a good book or watching your favorite flick. And speaking of cozying up, I've got the perfect space for you. One of the gems of this home is the 2,000 square foot master suite, which occupies the entire east wing of the apartment. This oversized master bedroom features silk wall coverings, custom built-ins, and picture windows that perfectly frame your view of the park. Now that's a view to wake up to every morning. No detail was spared in the making of this palatial retreat. The master wing comes with 2 of everything. There are 2 exquisite onyx and marble bathrooms and 2 elegant dressing rooms, unlike anything I've ever seen. And a hallway of tufted suede closet doors leads to a private office and solarium. If this isn't the lap of luxury, I don't know what is. This one-of-a-kind, opulent home offers quintessential New York City living and unparalleled views of Central Park and beyond. Hope you enjoyed the tour.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?